Best 10 Workplaces in the Philippines 2023 for Small Companies. This is the topic we'll tackle for today. I'm Engineer Morgan Sai of the Ilocano Defenders. So, this data comes from greatplacestowwork.com. Many have been asking me, Coach, where is the best place to work for small companies here in the Philippines? And without further ado, coming in at number 10 is a financial services and insurance company located in Mandaluyong City called Advance. Coming in at number 9, located in Muntinlupa City, Tech One Global Phils Inc. Coming in at number 8 is a healthcare company located in Makati City, Philippines, Takeda Healthcare Inc. And coming in at number 7 is an advertising and marketing company located in Makati City, Philippines. It's called Engr Group Inc. And coming in at number 6 is an advertising and marketing company located in Taguig City, Philippines. It's called Blogapalooza Inc. Coming in at number 5 is located in Muntinlupa City, Philippines. It's called IBS Electronics Inc. Philippines. Coming in at number 4 is an information technology company located in Mandaluyong City, Philippines called CoLab. And coming in at number 3, located in Taguig City, Philippines, it's called IT and Business Process Association of the Philippines Inc. IBPAP. Coming in at number 2 is an information technology company based in Makati City, Philippines. It's called Eco Global Consulting Inc. Coming in at number 1 is a professional services company located in Quezon City. It's called Sigen HR Solutions Inc. So those are the top 10 small companies that you can find great workplaces here in the Philippines. So without further ado, please like, share, and subscribe to our vlogs. Once again, I am Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng bayan.